Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Google Pixel 6. And this is the X-level case, the super thin case right here. Let's go ahead and check this out and see what it's all about. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the X-level Google Pixel 6 case, ultra thin, slim fit, Guardian series. Pixel cases, soft, flexible TPU matte finish with coating, light coating, protective back for the Pixel 6. All right. Now here's some pictures right here. So all black matte finish, nice thin, very flexible. You can get them in different colors. You get them in blue, gold, and wine red. All right. $11.99 on Prime, and you get it pretty quickly. Okay. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box. Guardian 360 all-around protection. I'm not sure why they said that. Not much else on the box right there. Let's see how easy this is going to be to get it out here. I don't think there's any tape on this. Yeah, I think there's a little bit of tape. Let me cut the tape out. Okay, a little tricky to get this out, but here we go. Let's pull this inside sleeve out. Okay, very soft case. Sides are a little stiff. And what's this? Oh, you get a little stand in here. Portable phone stand. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. We'll see how that works in a minute. Okay, let's put that to the side right there. All right, here's the case. You got a smooth silicone back. It's all matte. And you got the side right there. You got a little lanyard open right there. No branding. You got opening for the charging port and your speaker grills. Mic hole right there, and you got your volume up and down rocker and your power button. It's not textured or anything, so hard to differentiate, but you got opening for the camera. That's going to be protected. You see how it's raised up right there. The only thing you have to worry about is this side right here, so how far that comes up. But it feels like it's going to be pretty thin. Inside is soft as well. Okay, let's go ahead and get the Pixel 6, put it inside, see what it looks like. Okay, here's the Pixel 6 right here. Let's go ahead and pop this inside. It's going to be very thin. So it's a very thin case, all right? Doesn't add any bulk to your device. Now, there's a little bit of finish. The fit right around the camera is not as tight as it should be. So that's a finishing bracket right there. Everything lines up on the bottom. You can see that. The mic hole lines up as well. Pretty good. And the camera is going to be protected. You can see that right there. Lip, you don't have a whole lot of lip there, so you got to be careful with this one. If you drop your phone a lot, you might want to use this right here. But it's a fairly thin case, and if that's what you're looking for, this might work for you. If you want to put something in the house, if you don't use cases at all, it's good to put it on when you go outside. Protect with scratches if you're a person that don't want to use cases, okay? But I think the fit could be a little bit better. It's a little bit loose. You can see that right there. When you move, see that right there? I don't like that. It's not as tight as it should be. I'll probably be sending this one back. All right. So let's check out wireless charge, see how that works. Okay, here's wireless charge. Let's put it on. Picked up wireless charge, no problem. Let's check it out. Stand it up. That's interesting. Okay, so I picked it up, a little finicky there. I'm not sure what happened there. Okay, pick it up that way as well. All right, so picked up wireless charge in all positions. Okay, so that was a quick look at the X-level case for the Pixel 6. Slim case, very slim case, but the fit is not as good as I'd like it. I probably wouldn't recommend this case based on what I've seen right now. But you know, if you're looking for something inexpensive that you can put on your device, if you're not going to use it very much, this might work for you. All right. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.